My name is Professor Simangele Moyane. I'm from the Department of Information and Corporate Management. I would like briefly to talk about how ICM apply EPIP approach in teaching and learning in a way. I would say that in our department, we prepare students for the world of work. We try by all means to transform learning into practice. We have a project management project, and we have a small business as a project. Plus, we have community engagement projects. And again, to mention another community engagement, we have our ManCave. So our ManCave is well known in the university because of their projects. They don't have just one or two projects. So there are a lot of projects that are involved in. One of them that I will mention is the feeding scheme. So they identified the problems within the community, and they find that there are families where there are only children that are left with their grannies. So they see the need that how best they can assist this community. Hence, they have decided on that feeding scheme. So they just sit down and wrote a proposal for themselves, wrote a proposal to the companies that will assist them with food, particularly the veg, and a lot of stuff. So to my surprise, that students, they were able to write a proposal, and big companies is able now to provide them with whatever food parcels they require to give these communities. So they solve the problem, in fact, supporting a lot of communities that were involved in that project. In terms of supporting the project for students, so that they can be able to just sit down there, be creative, be innovative in whatever they're doing, we just decided as the department for simulation lab for students. So everything is there for students. So there are desks, computers. So we see that now students are happy. They have their space where there is no one who can tell what to do. Students, they're doing crazy things for themselves. So even ourselves, we are just shocked. And we see that how happy they are to see the beautiful, the way that a lab is set up for them with a bigger space wherever they can be able to think big. So whatever projects now, whatever problem they find, they know that they have a space where they can sit down and draw whatever they need to do. So their lab, we know that it will expose them in such a way that they can think big, be creative enough. As we're talking about project-based learning, we know that whenever they go to communities, whatever problem they find, they have their bigger space where they can sit down as students discuss, utilize all the resources that are there. There are computers, smart computers. We are not talking about just computers. So with whatever software they're looking for, so now they will be able to drive whatever they've seen in their community, and now it's within their tip of their hands. They are able to play around and do whatever they do. And we're expecting more projects from these students because they have just showed us how capable to do whatever projects without these kind of computer labs. Now we're waiting a lot of things.